right, guys, welcome back. Cody Sell here. What I want to go over with you guys in this video is how to use correlation to understand when you may be wrong about a trade bias or setup, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take EURUSD and I'm going to walk us through a hypothetical trade setup. Let's say that we are looking at this significant support and resistance zone in here, which also doubles as a supply zone due to this impulse here. So bearish impulse supply zone. All right. And let's just say, guys, that we are looking to enter a sell trade right here at this zone, and maybe, just think about any other confluences you may have. It doesn't really matter. Just understand, here's the point. We use technical analysis and we determine that we want to take a sell trade here for whatever that may be. All right, we determine that we are bearish. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at correlation and see, does correlation paint the same picture that we should be looking for a bearish move? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up. So we have EURUSD, so we can make a decision. We can take a look at the USD pairs, or we can take a look at the Euro pairs. I'm going to go ahead and make the decision to look at the Euro pairs, okay? So let's take a look at the other Euro pairs and see if they also scream bearish. Let's take a look at Euro New Zealand. Okay, Euro New Zealand, same time frame. Where's my little? Here we go. Okay. Are y'all gonna sell that? If you took the price action course, you already know that you are not selling this, all right? And of course, we have to let it close, but doesn't look great for a sell. Also, what I'm noticing, if you take a look at Euro New Zealand, it looks like our supply zone is up here, which would mean that we have more bullish momentum to see before we could potentially even see the next sell-off. And honestly, if you take a look at this, I would be expecting most likely a continuation. All right, this bullish impulse here. Okay, so Euro New Zealand, which should correlate with EURUSD based on the euro, is painting a different picture. Let's go take a look at another euro pair. Let's go look at Euro Pound. All right, that is from one of the other videos. I haven't pulled it up since. So Euro Pound, kind of nasty on this time frame, but if you guys take a look, there's a mean support down here, right? And then we are heading up. So you could argue that similar to EURUSD, we have a potential supply zone here. But if you guys take a look at this pair and take a look at this over here too, in correlation with our overall picture on Euro New Zealand, you guys see this bullish impulse move, which again just kind of paints its own picture, right? We're down here at the origin for the bullish impulse move. And this is just a small resistance on our heads. At least that's what it looks like as of right now. So again, I wouldn't be as interested in taking a sell trade from this zone. I'd really honestly would more rather see it break and retest so I can buy. So again, Euro Pound not giving me the same picture that I was kind of seeing on Euro USD. Starting to really doubt my trade decision on Euro USD. Let's take a look at another euro pair. Let's take a look at EURJPY. All right, EURJPY. So EURJPY has been going down, 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 and that's nice to see. Let's see if we can get, okay. Yeah, I'm not looking to sell EURJPY into this zone. So, yeah, and if you can see here, looks like we've got a support right here. And let's take a look at the hour. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm seeing a bullish run coming. Let's take a look at the... So you guys see what I'm doing here. I'm pulling up the other euro pairs to see like what my trade biases are, right? Like right now, holding above this level, I'm looking for a buy trade. I'm not looking to sell. I would not want to take a sell trade right here. I can almost feel my stop loss getting hit. Like, so let's see, let's take a look at another euro pair. So far, we haven't had a single euro correlating pair that gave us the same feel that we were getting on euro USD. Let's take a look at EURCAD. EURCAD, okay. Boy, we are bullish as hell on EURCAD. Okay, EURCAD, you could argue that we're seeing a decent sell setup right here, potentially, depending on how this candle closes. But I would also note that it looks like our overall supply zone on this time frame is up here. So similar to what we were seeing earlier, it just feels like overall we have more room to the upside before we may see our next crash. And just because the short-term formation is printing, I'm honestly I'm not feeling the sell trade from here. I don't think it's. And if you look, we've just breached a significant potential supply zone right here. So I'm not feeling the sell trade. So if we go back to Euro USD, back to our setup here, let me ask you guys, do you still think that this is a solid trade setup? And the answer is, it might be, but it's not the best setup. And this is why we're teaching correlation, and this is why we're showing you guys how to utilize it to help you make better trade decisions, to help eliminate some of those losses that you may not foresee. This trade could very likely end up doing something like this, going up to this resistance zone, up a little higher, right about where all the other euro pairs look like they want to go, and then see a fall. Okay? And that's how I use correlation to kind of help make the best trading decisions. And honestly, guys, you'll be amazed. It really helps you to eliminate unnecessary losses. And again, everything that we're going over in these videos is beyond the technical analysis. Your understanding of technical analysis is expected at this point. It's what happens beyond technical analysis to help you become even that much better of a trader. Eliminate those losses, maximize your gains. That's another thing, guys. If you end up with a sell trade up here instead, with the same target down here, you're going to have insane risk to reward, right? Let's compare. So somewhere in here, we're looking at 4-to-1 versus almost 7-to-1. So that's insane, guys. All right. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed these video trainings on correlation. We're going to be looking at commodity analysis next, which is fairly similar to this, and we're going to be diving into more of these concepts and just continuing to build on our knowledge. And again, guys, hope you got value from the video, and I'll see y'all next time.